Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Chris. Finally, I got the right belt. It came in. I had actually ordered it off of eBay the first time, and they sent me the wrong size, and now I had to ship it back. But just so happened I ordered two belts, one from the manufacturer and one from a link off of eBay, and the manufacturer just came in today, and so I'm fixing to slap it on. Won't work. Looks like it won't work. Brand new belt, YouTube, and ordered it off of eBay. Came in and won't work. Well, look what I got, YouTube. It finally came in. Let me see if it's going, if this is going to work or not. After a week and a half of doing this, let's see what we can come up with. Let me get a knife first. Well, we finally. Oh yeah. Man, yeah. 1568, man. Yeah. If you need the part number, that's what it is for RG50 Rayco stump grinder.